One of my favorite things about college is the independence to be able to be in control of my own schedule. So every Sunday night I will fill out my planner for the week. I'll write down all my classes times, I'll write down any tour guide shifts that I might have, and if I'm going to be hanging out with friends certain days. And within that time then throughout the week, I can be in control of when I do laundry, when I go and get food, and also sometimes if I have time, do a face mask, watch a movie, and just relax a little bit, and being able to be in control of that. I'm a pretty independent person, so this is like a nice transition in between, high school, but then also the real world will have to like balance checkbooks and stuff as well, in addition to just, laundry and homework. So it's a really nice time. I like being able to have that independence.